Hey, Shaquita here from Crown Me Quita, and I'm back with the twist out removal video. So at this point, you've twisted your hair and you want to know how to remove those twists effortlessly in order to end with a look like this. Well, I'm going to share my process with you right after this intro.
I have allowed my twists to air dry. I slept on them and I am ready to twist them out, hence the word twist out. So the first thing I want to do is oil my scalp, and I am going to use Do Grow Stimulating Hair Oil. So I'm just putting that on the parted areas, and I'm going to give it a second to kind of run down my scalp before I start to massage it in. So when I get ready to take my hair out, I typically start with the back. So I'm going to pin the rest of these out of the way for now. Spray my hand with oil and my fingertips. So as I'm untwisting, I start with the tip and I make sure I unravel the tip, and then I just twist in the opposite direction. Once it's loose, stretch the hair and separate like that, unwinding as I go. See? So stretch the hair, kind of unwind it in the direction that it's going, and there you have it. So let me do one in the front. Spray my hand. And you don't have to spray your hand every time. This just keeps my hands slick so that I don't create unnecessary frizz. And remember, so I'm going to start unraveling from the bottom. You see how it's coming apart? Get the bottom unraveled or the tip unraveled and work your way to the top. If you're a beginner, you should just untwist in the opposite direction. After you've been twisting your hair out for so long, you learn faster ways to do it. Like I can unravel like this and then pull it apart. But I've been doing twist outs for a long time. So start by untwisting the bottom. Twist in the opposite direction. Or if you've been doing it for a while, twist like that and then unravel. And of course I'm going to go in and separate these even more. But I just wanted to show you the beginning steps to unraveling the twists. Your hair swells over time, so typically I like my twist outs better after day 3. Let's do this one here. Untwist the bottom or the tip, twist in the opposite direction. Got it separated. Now you want to separate each section out further. This makes it look fuller. Twists out, and now I'm just going to manipulate and volumize. So when it comes to manipulating, this is just me trying to achieve as much fullness as I can. As I said before, most of the fullness is not going to come until about day 3 when my hair starts to swell, because big hair don't care. Okay, so I need to hide my part in the back. Usually when I do a twist out, I don't part it down the middle, but I felt like it was the easiest way to walk you guys through the twist out. So I will do another video in the future showing you how I part my hair to achieve the best outcome, so that your hair will fall in the right direction once you're done. You don't have to hide parts. But this, I just wanted you to understand how to actually get a nice effective twist. So when I'm manipulating and volumizing, I simply take a pick and pick at my roots to lift. And I kind of do this throughout my hair. So I lift, pick at the roots, lift, pick at the roots, lift, pick at the roots. And I'm definitely going to pick where this part is because I want to close it. Paying attention to separate any twists that need further separating. At this point, you can lay your baby hairs, do your edges. All I do is really take my sideburns and curl them up with gel. I don't really do too much to my edges until my twist out is getting old, or I'm going somewhere for a special occasion. Day to day, I typically don't mess with my edges, just to let them breathe, you know, give them a little break. At this point, my hair is so thoroughly moisturized, I don't have to add anything. But that's the benefits of the LCO method, okay? So yeah, I will update you on how it looks from day to day throughout the week. I typically start loving it when it's day 3 hair because it swells and it gets bigger. And I love big hair because the bigger the hair, the closer to heaven, okay? Yeah, so thank you so much for watching this video. Actually, I'm not going to end it here because I'm going to add some videos to show you the progression of this twist out about now.
Day 2 hair, day 3 hair, day 4 hair, day 5. All of those days that have passed and my curls are still defined. It's getting bigger and the more carefree, effortless look instead of perfection. Okay.